What you doing, Max?
Painting myself.
Why are you painting yourself?
It's a work stupid William did it yesterday.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, so I like doing it.
Oh. Now you got Isla doing it too?
Yeah.
Let me see your belly, Isla. And your hair. Did you paint your hair? Yeah. What are you supposed to be painting?
Where's my paintbrush?
I don't know. What'd you do with it?
What? Find it down here somewhere. Did it sink to the bottom of here? No. This is it. Find my script book, 'cause I need it to boost.